Hello! Today I'll be talking about what an electrical circuit is and how we can build one. An electrical circuit is a device that provides a path for electricity to flow so that a specific function can be performed. To build an electrical circuit, 3 conditions must be met. An electrical circuit needs a closed path, a voltage source, and a load. A closed path is needed so that we have a loop, so that the electricity can just flow continuously. A way to remember this is the word circuit comes from the word circle, and just like a circle, we need a closed path. Second, a voltage source. A voltage source is something that provides electrical energy. In other words, electricity. And third, we need is a load. A load is a component that absorbs electrical energy. Now, I will be building a simple LED circuit using a LED, a 1 kilo ohm resistor, a 9-volt battery, and some Play-Doh. To begin, we will be following along with this circuit diagram. Our 9 volts is our voltage source. Our LED is the load. It is the component that will be absorbing the electrical energy. And here we have a new one called our resistor, and the resistor's job is to limit the flow of electricity that's going to the LED. So how does this translate to an actual circuit? In a physical circuit, electricity will flow from positive to negative. In this case, it will come out the positive side of our 9-volt battery, flow into our resistor, then flow into the positive side of our LED, then come out the negative side of our LED, and then back to the negative side of our 9-volt, creating our needed closed loop. This is how the physical circuit will look after following the circuit diagram. The red wire being positive and the black being negative. And when you connect it, you get light. This works because Play-Doh is a conductor, meaning that electricity can flow through it easily. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you learned something new.